Welcome to GuiderGlobe.com. Today we are discussing an important topic called vocabulary in English language. What is the importance of vocabulary? Knowledge of various words in a particular language. A student must be very familiar with vocabulary by reading newspapers, editorials, Hindu, Times of India, like that, whatever leading magazines, newspapers do come. From there they have to go through the letters and then understand the meaning. Today we are in Guider Globe. We are striving our level best to give the most important words that did appear in various competitive exams. On various occasions I have told a student must be proficient in vocabulary so that he can answer questions related to antonyms, synonyms, reading comprehension, cloze test, fill in the blanks, etc., etc. Also, we are told bank examination means 30 questions will appear. SSC means 25 questions will come in English language alone. Scoring good marks in this paper is also very important, just like scoring good marks in quantitative aptitude and in reasoning. In vocabulary, various parts we have been discussing with various words. Now we are going to discuss with the word micro. Micro means very, very small, tiny. MSME. In newspapers you might have read micro, small and medium enterprises. Depending upon the investment in plant and machinery, they will classify as micro. Very small, short, minute, not minute. Okay? M-I-N-U-T-E, minute. Minute means, minute means that is a hour minute. That is different. Minute means very small. Microbe. M-I-C-R-O-B-E. Very small living thing. It is living but very, very tiny. Microchip. A tiny wafer with an integrated circuit. In electronic items, you might have heard. It is fixed with a microchip. That is very, very, very small wafer with an integrated. What is integrated? I-N-T-E-G-R-A-T-E. That means within. Integrated means within circuit. Milli, 1 by 1000. Okay, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. We are telling, right? 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. So milli means 1 by 1000. Millimeter, 1000 of not a meter, of a meter. Okay. Meter divided by 1000, millimeter. Millibar. Suppose 1 bar, 1000 of a bar. Suppose one gold bar is there. 1 by 1000, if you cut it, that is millibar. Milliliter. M-I-L-L-I-L-I-T-R-E. Milliliter. This is the correct spelling. Okay. Millibar, milliliter, 1000 of a liter. Mob. Mobilize. That MOB, mob means what? Crowd. This English is Words have got different meanings. This mob is crowd, group. Whereas this is mobility. Mobility means movement. What is mobile? From here to anywhere you can take it, unless landline. Mobile. It can move. From your bedroom you can take it to your hall. That is mobile. Mobility. M-O-B-E. This is actually a root word. Move. Immobilize. That is opposite of mobilize. Mobilization of savings and deposit schemes. That is collection, organizing. Immobilize. To stop from moving. Mobile. Able to move freely. Mobility. The equality of being able to move. That is, it has got the capacity to move out. That is mobility. Two-wheelers have the capacity of mobility. That means what? Two-wheelers can be moved from one place to another one. Mort. M-O-R-T. That is the root word. It relates to death. Immortal. That is, it will never die. Never die. But man is mortal. Mortal means which will die, which will not exist forever. That is called mortal. Immortal means it will never die. I-M-M-O-R-T-A-L. Immortal. Living forever. Mortal. Certain to die. Mortician. That is M-O-R-T-I-C-I-A-N. An undertaker. Port. Portability. That is, mobility means movement. You can carry. Export. From one country to another country. Carry goods. That is called export. E-X-P-O-R-T. Carry goods out of a place to another. Portable. Able to be carried. That which can be carried is called portable. Porter. You might have heard in important railway stations like Chennai, Central, Egmore and all. Porter. A person who carries luggage of the passengers for some nominal amount. Porter. P-O-R-T-E-R. A person who carries luggage. Deposit. You know that I deposited 500 rupees in my account. That means to place or drop something. To keep. To place something. Expose. Exposed means to place out into the open. Exposed to air. He came out from the room and exposed to open atmosphere. That's why he got sick, we are telling. Exposed means coming out from one place to the open place so that others can see. E-X-P-O-S-E. Position. Position means what? Status. S-T-A-T-U-S. What is the position? Status. Suppose a boy has scored the second rank in his class. We ask what is his position? He is number 2 in the class. That is the position. What is his designation? He is an officer in a bank. That is his position. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Posthumous. That is after, behind, after someone's death. An award is given, was given to X after. Posthumous means after his death it was given. Posthumous. P-O-S-T-H-U-M-O-U-S. Posthumous. Postpone. That is defer. Put after. Postpone means defer. D-E-F-E-R. Put after. Postscript. An addition to an already completed document. Already one document is completed. If you are adding some more script, it is called postscript. Okay. So, refer to guiderglobe.com for your various subject knowledge.